Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here, and I welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. And this video, I'm going to create one of the dashboard to find out advance and decline in very different sectors. And it is one of my students' requirement. So I'm just making as a video, so it may be helping you to all and how to create that advance and decline total number of stocks, and based on that how we can plan a trade. That is also I'm going to discuss in this video. And let me start the session. And here total number of stocks we have to get, maybe we can check in a charting, so like what are the stocks which breaking that particular level, or whether it is high or low, something we can do it as a chart pattern, so like histogram, like that we can create also. And here I'm just going to describe your future advance and decline, so how we can effectively plan a trade. So first of all, I just create a dashboard, the name of test. So from that we can start from the beginning. Okay, so test one. So it is not able to do it. Just a moment. So you need to create a dashboard, whatever the name you want. So I think my internet is slow. So charting, I think it's loading slowly. Just wait. Just go to the atlas. You need to create a new atlas, or create a new dashboard, or dashboards, maybe test one, two. So let me save this dashboard. And after I'm just making that dashboard test one, two. Yeah. Okay. So here I'm just going to add a dashboard. So here are some of the things that are available. So maybe a advanced declines where you can take this from here, or if you want to create, we can create a new from the beginning. So here in this case, I'm just going to find out F&O stocks from the cash group. Okay. So for that, we need to use group functions, a group count. So here it's a cash, and maybe how we are calculating it is advance or decline depends on the comparing to the previous day closing price. If the stock is trading greater than the previous day close, it is a positive stocks, and it is trading below to the previous day close, it is a negative stock. So based on that we are going to filter out. So I'm using the closing of that 5 minutes condition. That 5 minutes I will be going to take based on this 5 minutes. So we are comparing with the previous day. So just go for a 5 minutes close, must be here greater than closing price of 1 day ago. So that will be telling you the stock which is trading. It's about 1 day ago. Okay. So here 1 day ago close. That means yesterday closing comparing to that particular stock in a 5 minutes close is greater than the previous day close. It's called as a positive stock. So we will be taking advances stocks. Okay, same like that, we can create a negative thing. So we simply copy this, and it should be less than. So this will tell you how many stocks where it is forming such a pattern. So here you can see how many stocks which is advance or decline. So here it is showing you in the number format 0 or 1. 1 it is an advance and 0 is negative. And if you go for these are all the stocks. Okay, so we find out, and I'm just going to take a results. It's look a line chart. You can see the line chart where we find out. This is what a line chart which we are going to take, and data points we are going to take 70 or 50. So how many stocks? But we are going to find out only in futures and option shares. So if you are making this future and option share, let me run this, and it will be showing you like this in this filter. In the group count, so we have to run this, and this is what a thing which we got it. And this is showing you only 50 data points. We have to 74 data points because 5 minutes candle which you are taken. So 74 it's a particular thing, so or 75 maximum. Okay, if you are going more, then it will be showing you previous day. And the number of groups maybe 5 or 10, so whatever you want you can keep the number. So let me run this, and it will be showing from 13th August 9:15 and till 300 and 320, 325, maximum 325. That is 325 to 330 closing, where it is showing in the starting is 9:15 to 9:30. So this is what dashboard. So add to current dashboard. So maybe you can give future advance since decline. So like this, you can create the dashboard, and it will be showing you how this will tell you. So we can edit layout and then drag and drop. It really looks like a chart, and save layout. So here where you can see in the beginning after the market open, so here almost 109 stocks at 9:35 declined, and here 73 stocks were advanced. So it is simply telling you how many stocks are trading negative and how many stocks are trading positive. At 9:35 itself, we have almost 109 and 73 stocks in F&O category. So we are using only F&O categories because of in this future. Okay, so here is the group point, and if you want to take 150 data points, it will be showing you yesterday's data also if you want to check. Okay, let me run and see, and you can see that yesterday's data point, where you can see in the opening itself, there is almost 129 stocks, here 48 stocks. This is what the date 12th August. Maybe you can backtest by the opening itself. So where I can see maybe we are looking for a Nifty. Okay, so because future and options depends on futures, but maybe it will be telling you the trend of the Nifty also, because here in the first candle it's a negative, and the opening itself it's negative around 920. Maybe quick scalping a put 920, from that 24 to 70 it came down to maximum 270 points. But after sometimes later it is slightly merging at this point around 11:15. So here gradually the stocks which is increasing keep on rising. So that simply tell us most of the stocks where it is moving to the higher level, from that comparing to the 31 stocks, and it is almost 94 stocks. We here declining. So that would be a trend change. Maybe we can get a good opportunity. Then that is the thing which is happening from that point. Maybe we will be getting this trend change exactly at this point around 11:15. After that it immediately crossed, and maybe there is a confusing, but if it is started with gradual, and if you find out a very big changes, and that would be a good opportunity to find out the trending trades. That means we can find out the overall trend also, because here what happened, it is opened by the, this is a, maybe a gap up, so huge negative stocks. But after that, negative stocks are slowly come down, and positive stocks are slowly, there is a merge. So around 11 o'clock, there is a positive trend, because opening by the gap down and it is turned back. And today's scenario, where you can see here it started with very flat. Okay, and this time, so negative stocks are increasing and positive stocks are decreasing. That may be another trend for a down. So like we can find out the opportunities. In this case, I'm just going to tell you the 74, that would be a per day instead of 150. So let me go for 75. So this is very important. So it will be fetching how many candles per day. So here initially it is 109 stocks were exactly highest level, and here is this point. We got almost 1235 after we have almost 120 stocks. Maybe this time maybe the downtrend 1230 after. So here is the 1230, and after that we have some down movement. So it's an idea. So by using this particular things, and we can filter out for a bank nifty, whatever the things also we can using this particular scanner. This is overall thing. So in this group filters, you can go for bank nifty. If you run this, this is what a bank nifty details, but it is showing you only 12 I think how many banks is in the bank nifty list. So 10 and to 13 banks, I think. So from 13 banks in the morning, it was a 10 bank. By the opening gap up or gap down, so it will show you maybe in the first candle should be a positive one. So let me check bank nifty. Yeah, the first candle should be a positive one. After that, it doesn't move or doesn't break the level. Instead of that, it is keep on stays on the same level. It doesn't give you, but here in this point around the 1240, it's showing you the down trend, because 1240 is maybe a time. So after that we have some movement, so maybe we can use for an intraday. And this is what we can create a dashboard for finding advance and decline. So any category also, or from your list also you can create a Nifty 50 watch list. And I'm just using futures that would be helping you to find out the trend. And when more negative stocks, that time we can try for a put side trading opportunity. When the more negative stocks, we can positive stocks, we can try for the call side opportunities. And this is what the thing which I have created. And I'll just tell you this dashboard, and if you want I can share you that also. But this is the way where you can create a dashboard. And this is the one condition and conditions which you can simply finding out the trendings, that means advance and decline over the period of time. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.